So let's cook Etor with kidney bean puree. For this, you will need kidney beans, palm oil, onion, Scotch bonnet, groundnut paste, ripe and unripe plantain. Start by cutting the plantains up. Put on fire and add the Scotch bonnet and let it cook. Add onion bulb halfway through the cooking. Take out the onion and pepper and grind in an earthenware pot. Add salt and bring in the plantains. Mash gently and allow to cool down so plantain doesn't lump up. Add in groundnut paste and a little palm oil and mix together till you get a smooth consistency. For the puree, put oil in the pot, heat and add in sliced onions. Pour in some cooked kidney beans and cook. Season with salt, white pepper, and add in some freshly squeezed orange juice. Let it cook and add some chopped coriander. Take off fire and blend with an immersion blender till you get a smooth puree and paste. Serve and garnish with some sliced boiled eggs, crushed groundnuts, and drizzle some palm oil on top of it. Now enjoy! The rough.